Today, I'm going to talk to you about exactly why you should be buying a house today instead of waiting. So I opened up this mortgage calculator, and let's say you're looking at houses and they're around $700,000. I'm saying that because in my area, that's what houses are going for on average, if for like a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. And so there are a lot of people saying that they want to wait until the prices drop. But when prices drop, when the value of real estate drops, interest rates will go up. That is how the real estate industry works. Right now, prices of real estate is really high, so interest rates are very low. I just saw an interest rate for 1.75%, but for this calculation, I'm going to go with 2%. So let's say you buy a house for $700,000, you put 20% down, you have a 2% interest rate, and your loan amount is going to be $560,000. When I calculate that out, over the life of the loan, over the 30-year loan, you will have paid $185,000 in interest, and your total payments amortized will be $745,000. So basically, you will pay a total of $745,000 for a house that you bought for $700,000. And that, of course, is when you factor in the interest that you're paying. But let's say someone doesn't like this sticker price of $700,000 and they want to wait until prices drop. So let's say they wait for the market to change and they wait until this same house is only going to be priced at $500,000. But of course, interest rates are going to go up. So let's say it goes up to 5%. If we do the same calculation, check this out. Now, over the life of the loan, you have paid $373,000 worth of interest, and in total, you have paid $773,000 over the life of the 30-year loan because the interest rate you're paying is now 5% instead of 2%. Now remember, in the scenario where you bought the house for only $700,000, I'll just do that again, $700,000 at 2%. Check this out, $745,000. You save yourself around $30,000 over the life of the loan by buying the more expensive house today with a lower interest rate. So, my friends, if you are waiting for the real estate market to crash, you're waiting for prices to go down, I promise you, depending on what the interest rate is, you actually might save money even if the sticker price of your house is $200,000 more than what it would be if the market were to crash. It's all about the interest rates, folks. Make sure you're making a smart decision. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait.